When you have a new baby, it is very common to have the baby blues and just really hormonal and cry a lot. And there's a point where it's not really normal anymore. So after about the first 2 weeks, your hormones should sort of start leveling out. But if you still find yourself very depressed or just very anxious and just worried about everything or just feeling completely hopeless, I would definitely urge you to, at the very least, take a self-assessment online. I'm going to add the link to the description down below, but there's a postpartum support center online that can help you decipher whether or not you might need to reach out to your OB. This is another reason why I say that 6-week follow-up is so important. Your doctor should be screening you for postpartum depression or postpartum anxiety. And if they're not, your pediatrician will as well. So that assessment is definitely going to be out there. People are going to be asking you these questions. But if you feel more comfortable in just the confidence of your own home, taking a test online to see if you're at that threshold where it might be depression or anxiety, then definitely do some soul searching and take one of the tests online. You can test for depression or anxiety and get yourself help. Even if that means talking to a therapist or getting on medication, it doesn't have to be forever, but it's more important to make sure that you're being the best version of you for your baby than to just suffer through and think this is going to pass, because sometimes it doesn't. A lot of times it doesn't. And a lot of times it goes undetected for way too long. So if you're having any negative thoughts at all, please reach out to your doctor. And if you don't feel comfortable doing that, there are several phone numbers that you can call to get on-demand support. This is another reason why having a village of people to help you take care of your baby is so important. You need a break. Especially if you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious or depressed, you need to make sure that you have people in your corner that are helping you and giving you a break when you need it. But definitely reach out if you feel like you need help.